Hello, Professor. My name is Leidys Alfonso Cruz. This is my assignment. The article selected for me for this assignment was determinant to antiretroviral treatment not adherent among adult HIV/AIDS patients in North Ethiopia. Author was Vigil. The gap in the literature is the treatment of HIV using AT treatment. However, there has been less emphasis on reduced adherence to treatment associated with increased health complications and mortality. Approximately 71% of the global HIV/AIDS prevalence occur in sub-Saharan Africa. Antiretroviral therapy treatment is a preventive intervention that has been associated with reduced infection and disease progression. The purpose statement is the following. Poor ART adherence is significant public health concern. Consider the high risk of transmission and the number of individuals with the condition. They have different factors such as ability of remind, substance abuse, malnutrition, CD4 count, and existing adverse effect of ART. The research approach can be divided in three types. Number one, deductive research approach. Number two, inductive research approach. And number three, abductive research approach. The type of study in this case was prospective study because individuals who has 6-month follow-up were included in the service from March 20 to May 50, 2015 years. The study employed an experiment research approach. The case that had to follow up during the data collection period were included in the study. While control include every 4 appointments. A patient health questionnaire PHQ-9 was determined the depression level among the respondents. The study employed quantity methods where information was obtained from the two groups using the structured questionnaire. The sampling method that was utilized was systemic random sampling. The inferential analysis employed the use of binary logistic regression. This method was applied to help identify the determinant of non-adherence to antiretroviral treatment. The general population that was targeted in this study comprised of adults who have tested positive of HIV. The sample was 411, where 137 cases of 274 control in this part of Ethiopia. The research variable has been identified, which help create a positive environment to understand the research question. The dependent variables in this research is adherence to antiretroviral treatment. An independent variable include gender, age, marital status, recent education, occupation, history of ART, and dietary diversity. The hypotheses have different factors has been assigned, which have been evaluated different. For example, the null hypothesis number 1 was duration of treatment doesn't have a significant effect of adherence to antiretroviral therapy. Null hypothesis number 2, ART adverse effect doesn't have a significant influence of adherence to antiretroviral treatment. The same for null hypothesis number 3, 4, 5, and 7. Bias in research is a common concept which needs to control in ensuring that the finds obtained are more accurate and help understand the research problem that is being addressed. The population of people who HIV positive is high. Also, the research as only 411 has representative of the world population. The finding obtained from the 411 individual may not be a better representation of the total population. Frequent successive visitors can not the basis of the inclusion. Consideration that it doesn't represent the pattern of elements that are being found in the study. The different levels of measure are crucial in helping understand the type of data, which is crucial in guiding the study development. The variable nominal were gender, occupation, marital status, autism, and diabetes. The ordinal variable was education level, and the radio variable was age and CD4 count. This is my assignment. If you want to learn about this topic, I will invite to find my work complete, and you can learn uh, or the assignment. Thank you so much.